Let's now move on. Viewers, in a mega crackdown on narco-terrorism, the Jammu and Kashmir Police and Jammu and Kashmir administration have intensified action across the region. In the last 40 days, at least 766 FIRs related to drugs have been registered by the police. More than 850 offenders have been arrested and over 670 kilograms of drugs have been seized as well. My colleague Ankit has filed a ground report. Take a look.
From last 45 days, Jammu and Kashmir Police and LG Manoj Sinha has started a war against drugs in Jammu and Kashmir. Right now, I'm in the border area of Bishna. You can see a massive search operation has been launched by the Jammu and Kashmir Police along with the BSF at the border area. What we are learning is that more than 700 FIR has been registered so far. 677 kg of drugs has been recovered in last 40 days. What we are learning is that 17 to 18 crore of the drug peddlers' property has also been seized by the Jammu and Kashmir Police. Now, from the hinterland to the international border, there has been a massive search, there has been a massive campaign by the forces and the local.
And LG Manoj Sinha has said that fight against drugs will continue and the narco-terror nexus will be dismantled from Jammu and Kashmir very soon.
जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस में 3200 नए रिक्रूट्स की वृद्धि हुई है। मैं उनको और उनके परिजनों को शुभकामना देता हूँ। जो अभियान 11 अप्रैल को जम्मू से शुरू हुआ था वो मोटे तौर पर 11 नवंबर का स्वरूप ले चुका है। पुलिस ने जिस तरह से प्रभावी कार्रवाई की है मैं जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस को बधाई देता हूँ और मुझे लगता है कि जहाँ से भी ड्रग की एंट्री होती थी उसको पूरी तरह रोक दिया जाए। इसका एक मुकम्मल प्लान जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस ने बनाया है और मैं आश्वस्त हूँ कि आने वाले दिनों में कार्रवाई भी कठोर होगी, सफलता भी बढ़ेगी।
Ankit, my colleague, is now joining us live for more on this. Ankit, it's a massive crackdown in Jammu and Kashmir, 766 FIRs.
Absolutely, this is a mega crackdown by the Jammu and Kashmir Police and the LG administration in Jammu and Kashmir regarding the narco-terrorism. What we are learning is that more than 700 FIR has been registered in Jammu and Kashmir regarding the drugs. What we are also learning is that more than 600 kgs of drugs has been recovered by the Jammu and Kashmir Police in Jammu and Kashmir, and more than 800 offenders has been detained, arrested. 17 to 18 crore of the property has been either seized or demolished of the drug peddlers. The message is clear by the LG administration and the Jammu and Kashmir Police to the drug peddlers: we will hunt you down if you try to sell the drugs in Jammu and Kashmir. We have seen in the recent also how Pakistan has to push the narco-terrorism in Indian side.
Thank you very much, Ankit, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this story. Heading into another short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.